Now I'm going to IKEA, so I will see you there. So guys, now only I arrived to IKEA. Now I'm going in to check in to security. So I will see you there. Hey guys, now only I passed through security. Now I'm going in. Now I am at IKEA entrance. Now I'm going in. So this is the look of IKEA. Now I'm going on a excavator. So it's taking us to first floor. These are the items in first floor. There's a living room set up there. This is a children's bedroom furniture setup for showing. So this is a living room setup. That is sofa. So this is living room setup. And this is master bedroom setup. Master bedroom. And this is sofa section. There will be sofas. My sister is sitting on there. So this is the sofa section. Hi guys. She's saying hi. So now I'm explaining. So these are the boxes there. We can keep some toys, crafts, like that. And these are some furniture stuffs to keep in our houses, bedrooms. And these are some cupboard ideas. These are lamps. I like this light. It's so nice. So this is a working area for working. We came to look for furniture for our new house. You saw that video for that house. This is another living room plan. So this is a TV set up in. So next master bedroom setup is coming. Second one. So this is second master bedroom setup. It looks like a luxury bedroom. So this is a closet. And here are closet sections. I'm trying to close it, but it's not going. And this is myself. So now let's go. Entry, huh? So this is a space section. Children's space section. So this is children's area. Children's bedroom area. We can keep. And this is some fluffy stuff for children to play. So these are fluffy stuff for children to play. And this is a food court to eat. And again we came down to look for furniture. And we saw cooking stuff and we go there. There were some pans. Now we look. These are so many. Now there are pans. So many are there. I can't even tell them. Rice cookers, pans, so many. And some plates, spoons, stove, caps. Caps means uh, cooking caps. So this I am sitting in the car. So now here, so here are some cooking stuff. Utensils, cooking utensils for cooking.
చూడండి బాగుంటాయి కానీ
These are also some
కానీ నాన్
cooking
స్టిక్ వాటి
utensils. Those are some plastic utensils. So now let's go forward. And this is plant section. Plant section this is. And what is this section? I don't know. So if you know, tag that in the comments. I don't know which section is this. So tag it in the comments if you know what this section is. I don't know. Now let's move on. I will explain you everything. So these are some covers, bags, mats. What are these? These are some bags. These are some bags. Pillow sections. So we are again at the plant section. So now I'm going to show. There are so many plants. Dirt plants, bamboo plants, little plants. So many plants are there. There are plant seeds, plant pots. Now I'm in the showroom of IKEA. It's so big and so large. So big and so large. How big is this? So there are some stuff here, chairs, drawers. Now I'm here at the checkout section. This is the storage room. So that is the end of IKEA. So bye.